Hey, hey, it's Berta J. Come on into my kitchen with me today, troopers. Today, we are going to make something that I'm calling winter fruit salad. And the reason I'm calling it that is because in the summer, you always have fruit salad. And you have, all your melons and all that stuff. Well, this one is going to be a lot of things that you can find in the grocery store during the winter. And if you will stay tuned until the very end of the video, you will find out who our winner for the Forks Over Knives cookbook and plan is. Okay? So stay tuned. The first thing you need is a big bowl to mix everything in. It's really simple. And what you're going to use is 1 cup of mandarin oranges. Now, I use the halos, and they're that size. And I used about 4 or 5. It depends. Sometimes they get really small. Sometimes they're a little bit bigger. But a whole cup, okay? And it's just the sections. Take all of that white stuff off of it. Then you're going to take a medium to large apple. I used a Granny Smith and I chopped it up. It's kind of brown, but it's about this size. And you peel it, core it, and chop it into little bite-sized pieces like that. Put that in. The next thing is 2/3 of a cup of sliced, I cut them in half actually, halved grapes. These are the little sweet seedless red grapes. 2/3 of a cup. And then you're going to use a tablespoon of dried cranberries. Now, instead of just using a big old cranberry, I chopped it into very small pieces. It will be easy for you when you pick up a spoonful to see them. You see they're very small pieces. I just cut them with my kitchen shears. And it's just a tablespoon. Okay? Add those. And then we will add 4 Bing cherries. Now these were kind of fat Bing cherries. And I cut them also into bite-sized pieces. About that big. You cut the Bing cherry right down the middle. Then you cut the halves into fourths and then those into this size. And it's only 4 of them. I like them in here because they give a lot of juice and texture and sweetness. The last thing is you get a fresh pineapple. And in another one of my videos I showed you how to cut and peel a fresh pineapple. So do that, and I cut it into, if you were to buy them in a can, you would get something called tidbits because they're about that big. Okay? And it's 2 cups. Add that to it. And that's it. We're going to stir all these wonderful fruits up together. It's very refreshing and it's sweet. There's no sugar in this except the natural sugar that comes from fruit. Okay, so after it's all stirred up, for the dressing, you're going to stir together 3 tablespoons of orange juice concentrate, any kind that you like, and 1 tablespoon of water. So you're going to end up with 1/4 cup of liquid. And into that, this is totally optional, add 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Pour it right into that. Now, truth be told, I've never really used almond extract, but I have found after making this little recipe, my husband uses it all the time, that I like it a lot. So you stir that together and pour your dressing right over. And now stir it all together. And your salad is going to be done. You could eat it now if you wanted to, but I think that it tastes better if you at least wait for about 2 to 3 hours so that these flavors will marry. But after you have waited for a couple of hours, this is what it'll look like. I made this one earlier. It weeps a little because the mandarin oranges will weep some and the pineapple too will give off a lot of juice. It's really, really delicious. So I'm going to taste some. Sweet and delicious. Oh, there's a little piece. I'm going to eat that too. I really like it. And I think you will too. So that's the end of your winter fruit salad, which I'm sure you will enjoy. Just make sure when you make it, you leave me a comment down below. So I had over 40 comments with the Berta J Fresh Start to get the book, and we do have a winner. Her name is Geraldine Clark. And I just want to thank each one of you for telling me small stories and sharing a part of your life with me about why you wanted this book. I just wish I was richer and I probably would have given each one of you one. It's really a wonderful book. But Geraldine is our winner. And so congratulations, Geraldine. We'll be getting in touch with you. Thank you so much for entering, every one of you, all my 40+ troopers. I appreciate it. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And so until next time, bye for now.